Nick Ryan's here with Ghost Ring Tactical, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through my truck gun setup. Now, before you guys take any of my advice with how my setup is, make sure that you check with your local state laws on what's allowed and what's legal in your state. All right, so let's start off by taking a look at the rifle, okay? So the rifle I have, okay, let's clear the rifle. Okay, rifle is clear. So you can see the way I travel with my rifle is I basically carry it patrol ready, where I've got a full mag in the mag well, but no round in the chamber, all right? So let's go through this full setup of the rifle that I carry with me. Starting off with the lower receiver, this is a Shields Arms lower receiver with the foldable stock. Okay, I really like these. The upper is a Palmetto State Armory 7-inch upper. I had to go with the 7-inch upper because that's the only size that would actually fit behind the seat in my truck. I tried my 10-inch rifle, but it's just too long and I couldn't close my seat. So I had to go with the 7-inch. Starting back at the charging handle, we've got the Radian Raptor charging handle. Okay, I always suggest doing the ambidextrous charging handles, not the stock charging handles, because it's a lot easier to grip these guys with that support side hand, because again, our firearm control hand should always stay on the weapon. Moving up, we've got our backup sights. Okay, so our iron sights are just our Magpul, okay, flip up sights. Next up, okay, we've got our optics. We've got the EOTECH, I can't remember what model this is. I think it's the EXPS 3 or something of that model wise, okay, when it comes to the EOTECHs. Moving up, we've got the Surefire Scout Mini light, plus we have the pressure switch that has the momentary on and off, and then we've got the button to turn it on and keep it on if we choose to. Underneath, we've got the Magpul hand stop kit. Okay, here again, I couldn't use the entire kit because again, I didn't have enough rail to put it on there, so I used about half of it. And next up, we've got the Sling. This is the Ferro Concepts naked Slingster. Really like, okay, this sling, okay, with it being adjustable and all that. But that's basically it when it comes to the rifle, you guys. The beautiful Cerakote job was done by my buddy Tim up at Sandman Armory. But yeah, really enjoy this rifle and really like the setup that I've been able to do with it in my truck. Now, this isn't the only thing I have back here, okay? I also have my suppressor, because if you know these shorties, these things are loud, okay? I actually have accidentally shot this without ear pro on, and I thought my ears were bleeding because it was so loud. So I carry my suppressor with me. It's just a Yankee Hill, can't remember what model it is, just basic suppressor. I also have some ear pro that I carry in here just in case, okay, electronic ear pro, so I can actually hear everything going on around me. And that's it. That's what I've got behind this seat. Now my other seat, I've got other videos that show kind of my survival bag I have over there, but with my survival bag, I also have 3 extra mags on that side that actually have the mag holder with a paddle on them, so I can easily just slip it onto any pants, shorts, or anything that I might be wearing. Okay, so yeah, so this rifle is kind of like the oh shit, like shit's gone really crazy and I have to get to my rifle in my vehicle. My primary is, if I get engaged inside my vehicle, is always going to be my pistol that I'm going to go to first, and I'm going to use that pistol to fight my way back to my rifle and hopefully deal with any problem or threat that we have left.